Why do billionaires pay less to zero taxes? Welcome to our Wyco-ffee break, where we are giving you tips and tricks to any tax, payroll, bookkeeping plus PPP. Well, just the Internal Revenue Service code, it's actually meant straightforward. It is meant to help a lot of businesses to thrive by giving so much tax credits, and deductions compared than full-time employees. That's why they're trying to minimize their tax brackets with these billionaires by using the R&D, the research and development credits, that if they want to, let's say their income, they made extra 1 million, that is their take-home money. What they do there is, okay, we're going to use it to fund our future technology or future software, so we can use that, the R&D credit. So the IRS would say, all right, we will let you use that $1 million. We're not gonna tax you as long as you're going to do this for innovation. Then the other option they do is stock options. They're giving the percentage to the employees. That is also a good strategy. Instead, it's reclassification of income. That's what they're doing. So that's why instead of reporting that $1 million, they would just rather distribute it to the employees, that they're receiving portion of the profit of the company, of the ABC company. That's why it's just ongoing. And then there's so many things that they're doing, like depreciation, the power of real estate. That's why there are so many avenues and loopholes if you know the IRS code. If you guys have more questions, feel free to click the link below and book your 30-minute consultation. As a reminder, here in Wyco Tax, you deserve the max. Stay safe.